coolest thing about Philly, we really don't give a shit. Mawn means chicken in the Cambodian language. My mom and pops were in the Cambodian genocide, and when she saw people eating chicken, it meant that the gunfire has ceased. We're gonna do a crab fried rice.
We met working together. That's kind of like what we knew. We worked together for like 6 years or something like that.
They say opposites attract, but sometimes it's two people that like the same shit. Our son is an industry baby.
Yeah. He knows that we have a restaurant.
He basically says, have a good service.
Yeah, he basically does.
On the 1st of each month at noon, our books open. So we had 2,000 reservations in 50 seconds. OpenTable is the bridge from our guests to us. Our food is eclectic because there's no borders. We make things we want to make.
We have the same common goal at the end of the day. We want to make great food. We want to give great experience. We want to do what we know how to do, what we love.